Right, ladies and gents, boys and girls, I got a very, very good news for the channel. So now you can become a member of Shareentertainmentz. We got a membership. So what comes with that is pretty simple. If you become a member, you get perks. I'll answer, to your question personally early. And on top of that, you will get tips and tricks, on many various subjects from us, and members only videos, extra footage, or whatsoever we're doing wherever we are in the world. You know how this thing goes, right? This is pretty much what it is about. So if become a member, the price is pretty affordable. You got 1, 2, 3
levels.
Okay, the price is truly affordable. Okay, so support the channel and become a member. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm waiting to see you in the membership area. And let's do it, people. Bang bang, action done. Peace. Do it.